From school children to adults, soft drinks have found a place in many workplaces, schools, and homes. You see, what used to be an occasional treat has now become a frequent choice for many as a daily habit and a major lifestyle trend. But behind the sweet and refreshing taste lies a very big question that many people rarely ask, and that is, how much sugar are we drinking with every bottle of the soft drink? Well, this video seeks to answer that question by looking at the sugar content of some common Ghanaian soft drinks on the market. But please, this video is for educational purposes only, and the sugar content of each drink provided in this video is actually based on the nutritional fact labeled on each bottle. So the first drink I have here is Rush Energy Drink. If you look at the nutritional label, per 100 ml, it is 11.5 grams of sugar, and the bottle is 350. So when you do your calculation, you're going to have about 40 grams of sugar in the Rush Energy Drink. This cube is equivalent to 5 grams. And so you are going to have about 8 cubes of sugar in the Rush Energy Drink. The next one is 5 Star. 5 Star has about 9.6 grams of sugar per 100 ml. The bottle is still 350. So you are going to be around 30 grams. And so it means that you're going to have about 6 cubes of sugar in the 5 Star energy drink. The next one I have here is canned malt. The canned malt, you know, we have the slim one and then we have the one that is not slim. Let me put it that way. The slim one is 11 grams per 100 ml, and then the other one is 10.4. So when you do your calculation, you are going to have around 34 to 36 grams of sugar. And so you are going to have about, say, 7 cubes in the malt. Okay, that is for malt, canned malt. Then the next one is Belaqua Active. Many people think that it's just water and flavor, no sugar. But no, if you look at the nutritional label, you realize that per 100 ml, you have about 5 grams of sugar, and the bottle is 500 ml. So you are going to have 25 grams of sugar in the Belaqua Active, and that is approximately about 5 cubes of sugar. So that is that for Belaqua Active. The next one I have is canned Coke, which is 330 ml per can. And if you look at the nutritional label, per 100 ml is 10.6 grams. And so it is going to be 35 grams in the can, which is approximately about 7 cubes of sugar in the can. Then you have canned Sprite. That one you have 8.9 grams per 100 ml. So if you do your calculation, you are going to be around 29 grams of sugar, which is approximately 6 cubes in the can. Then you have canned Fanta. The canned Fanta too, it is 330 ml, and it has 7.7 grams per 100 ml. So you are going to have about 25 grams, which is about 5 cubes of sugar in the canned Fanta.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
So this is the part 1 of the sugar content of some Ghanaian drinks. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly share so others can benefit. Bye bye.